Caution: a run-in phase might not be necessary all the time. If an agitator is squeaking during the commissioning phase or after a bearing exchange, a run-in phase should be done. Remove the mixing head from the vessel. Apply some diamond suspension to the lower part of the inner bearing. Carefully put the mixing head back on the inner bearing and let the agitator run at a low speed for 20 minutes. Afterwards, stop the agitator, remove the mixing head and wipe the remaining diamond suspension off. Then reapply diamond suspension, put the agitator back on the inner bearing and let it run again. In total, at least 3 runs with diamond suspension must be done. For the final cleaning, rinse the mixing head with water and perform a CIP process. Option B: run-in phase without diamond suspension. Let the agitator run for at least 24 hours in cold water at a higher speed, for example at 40 Hz. Should any questions arise, don't hesitate to contact us directly via the following QR code or email address. Thanks for watching.